What's up, everybody? So, coming to you from Jersey Shore, PA. Finally getting signal again and able to get back to editing videos. But my GoPro, I don't know what the heck is going on with it. Every single video was completely out of order. And it took me, like, seriously, I had to go through, turn it on, go to the beginning of the day, and then find the video and go like that the whole entire time. I've gotten, but basically I had to start from the from the earliest video to the latest video. That way I didn't have to keep swiping so much. So I started on day 17 and got to day 12. And then the SD card, something happened to it. And it just says error, error, error. And the only option it gives me is to reformat the card. And I tried, this happened 5 days ago. I'm sitting here now, was hoping it would work, and it didn't. So basically, what y'all just seen was day 8. I left at Lock House after doing like 50 some miles that day before, or that day. And then I rode from there to Amsterdam, New York. And then my friend JB come pick me up, and I went to her house. I only did like 15 miles that day. And then I took my first 0 of the trip at her house. So that's day 10. And then the next day I rode from, I didn't get her to drop me off because she had to be at work early, and I didn't want to make her leave earlier and take me all the way back up there. So I started at her house in Schenectady, which y'all seen in the day before, that area. And then I re-rode to Amsterdam and continued on to Lock 15. It was an absolutely beautiful day. I really wish I had the video to show y'all, but I just don't. And them 3 days, I just don't have. I've tried and tried and tried to get that to work. I even put in the different GoPro. I put in the SD card reader. Nothing is working. So we're going to have to go with not having them couple days, which really sucks. But I got like 10 videos done, so they'll be coming back out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday again, and we should be able to keep them going. But I just got here to Jersey Shore and went to get ready to start editing the last 5 days, and guess what? They're 100% out of order again. If anybody else has a GoPro and it does that to you, how the heck do you get it to stop doing it and start saving them in the right order? They're in order in the GoPro, but whenever you go to the app and go to view media, they're all mixed together in different days. It's not like 2 days mixed in one day. One video would be from one day, and then 3 days before would be a couple more. It's just, it literally goes from me being able to edit a video in like 10 to 20 minutes. It's literally taken me an hour plus to edit one video just to get the videos in order. It's It's so frustrating. And yeah, once I get this straight, yeah, I don't know. It's a real big pain in the butt, and I don't get why it's doing it. The last 2 times I've gone to edit videos, this has happened. But yeah, as of right this minute, I only have about 540 miles left of this trip. I should be in Maryland in about a week, and then we'll be on the CNO for about 77 miles, then the Trans-Virginia route from Pointed Rocks to Front Royal, and then we'll be on Skyline Drive and the Blue Ridge Parkway the rest of the way back home. But I'm really sorry about all this. Y'all know I hate it when I'm not able to put out a day's worth of video for y'all, because I don't know. I really want to get like an Insta360 or something and try something else other than a GoPro for this bike touring and all. But it's going to be a while before I can afford one. But anyways, I hope you all had a great day. Have an even better night. I'm going to sit here, try to at least get one video of this done tonight. And we'll talk to you on the next one.